Okay guys, today I'm going to show you the second step in actually making the storage container for your Year 7 storage container project. Okay, so the last one we did, we've actually made this long sides of the project. This one we're going to make the short sides. Okay, and then this is the final product. In the final one we're going to show you how to make the internal walls and the base. Okay, so I'll just get rid of this now. And I'm going to go back and actually start a new metric standard part and click create. What we do then is we actually have to create a 2D sketch, and we go down and we hit on these. Brings up the sketch planes here. You want to select this sketch plane, the XY plane, and we're going to draw on this. So this brings up our drawing tools up here. So we're going to create a rectangle, and we're going to go down to the origin point, which is our start point, and drag out a box here which is 120 long by 70 high. Okay, so we've got that done, and then once we've done that, we actually finish the sketch off, zoom out, and we then extrude the part out by clicking on the extrude feature up in the corner here, and we want to extrude out by 12 millimeters. So type in 12 and accept that. So now we've got a three-dimensional part here. Next step is we create another 2D sketch, and we need to select the face that we're going to draw onto. So we want to select this plane here, or this edge, the end plane. Okay, which brings us down into this. We're going to create two rectangles now. Drag it out 6 millimeters by 3 millimeters. So type in 6, tab 3, press enter, go down to the bottom and do the same down here. 6, tab 3, press enter, and we'll finish that sketch off by clicking on the tick button there. Next thing is we're going to extrude out. So we want to extrude out this one and this one, but we want to make it go the other way. So we're going to go through all, and the program actually knows we're going to cut through here anyway, so it already comes up with a cut profile, but it's actually the cut profile there, and we'll accept that. Next thing we want to do is actually change the material to a wooden material. So up here we have our material selector and an appearance selector, so this changes the color of it, but for now we want to do a material. So we'll just pick out a wooden material out of the database. I'm just going to drag down into the wood, oak, and you click on the little arrow which then applies it to the part. Okay, and that's pretty much done. Now all we have to do now is just save it by clicking on save, and we'll go in and save in, naming it short side, and we save it into our project area.